What is going on, everybody? Thank you for clicking on part 2 of day 2 out on the Headwaters Lake. Place is amazing, just amazing. It gets better this day. One of the best days of bass fishing I've ever had, between the chatterbait and burner worm in the morning. Oh, and if you haven't seen part 1, make sure you click it. It's gonna pop up right now. See, there it is, click that. But after this video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna get you on out to the action. Enjoy some sick punching action. See you guys.
Nice one, dude. Dude, he went like this. I was like, you're kidding me. Well, part 2. There it is.
Oh my gosh. Dude, that's like the 3rd flip.
163. So I'm gonna replace his ass with old Slaunchy here. Right in the top of the mouth. That's right.
You couldn't believe when you got that bite, could you?
I didn't. I was like,
no way. No, I know exactly what you mean. Oh. Woo! You can flip the hydrilla too. Boom! Finally, my first bigger fish. Nice. I don't have the bait anymore, but it's right here. No, that was a Gambler burner crawl with a Gambler punch skirt. Boom. I think we're gonna do some punching, yeah. I needed this to kind of catch up a little bit. I need a lot more than just this though.
now we're getting finding them big ones.
4 1/4. That will get rid of my 154. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Yes, sir. Beauty, 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 beauty. We are about to. We will see you later. Boom.
Now that's what we're looking for. That's a better fish.
Better quality fish. Better quality fish. Why not? In the mouth. Silent flip. 65 pound in black.
That's right.
2 ounce woo.
I'm about to do some
Top of the mouth. No, he's still there. Still on there, right? Maybe get over to it then? On the bow?
Yeah, I guess.
Dude, I'll do this all day if we need to. Come up here. Just keep good pressure on them.
You saw him pull back, didn't you?
Oh, yeah. I can see him pulling back right now. Just gonna leave it up this time. Wait. That's a big fish. It's a good one. That's a solid fish. Never know what you're gonna come up with. It's like Christmas. That's a solid one. Yeah, we'll take him.
All right, now flip all in there.
Yeah,
Now that we have it. So why not? Does it again. 3 380, 370, 381, 376.
Dang.
And that's it. Place. That's replaced.
Double hookup punching. Dude. Hey, double hookup punching. Come over here.
The Gambler, why not?
Yes, sir. Gambler, why not? Getting it done. All right, buddy.
Keep going.
See you, buddy. All right, guys, quick little thing, what we're flipping. We both have a blue tip Gambler, why not, with 4/0 flipping hook. Both have a 4/0 flipping hook. Both have 2-ounce Woo tungstens. Both have 2 bobber stops. On both have 65-pound Cortland silent flip.
2 bobber stops is definitely when you're flipping these big.
Yeah, it definitely is. The 2 bobber stops would be something that you're flipping the big weights, you need it. You know, you're gonna wear these out even too at some point. But one little thing that we're also adding to it is this liquid mayhem right here. And I got this out of my Monster Bass box. So look at this, everything is coming together. Monster Bass was clutch with the assist. This is really cool. I would never use this stuff before. Have you ever used this stuff? Yeah, and never added cent. Will I be buying more now? Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks to Monster Bass. So check them out in this lake.
Yeah, I've noticed that. There he is.
I catch the small ones punching. What the hell? Matt's sitting here averaging freaking 4-pounders. I can't even punch up fish that help me. I don't think you help at all. I don't even know what my smallest is. I gotta be to 174. I don't think you're 174 at all. 1.3. Thanks, buddy, for biting though. See you later. Did it with your eyes open. Is that what he's saying?
Make fun of me all you want.
I don't think it's gonna help me either. Another puncher. Heck yeah. Another why not fish. I don't think he's gonna be 175. I don't think so. He's gotta be that to help me. I need to be the one that catches the 8 to have a chance to beat you. 1-3. Nice bite, buddy. See you later. These ones are really canopied right here. Yeah, I think we've both probably done that at some point today. Even when we haven't said it.
What?
That's a big one. It's not that big. Gosh, dang.
He called it too.
He'll help me though. I don't know if he helps me. Gosh, dang. I keep catching these little guys. I mean, I'm not complaining about catching a bunch of fish punching. Don't get me wrong. Catching fish punching is almost as fun as, is it as fun as catching them on top water? Catch them out of this stuff? We'll get a weight, he might help me. Oh yeah, 1.87. That helps my Fest 4. Still a little bit behind Matt though. All right, buddy, see you later. Oh! Dang it, that was a better fish. I pulled it out of his mouth at first. Like old time's sake. Oh gosh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, I thought it was a lot bigger. It's still not a bad one though at all. I still thought he was like a 10 when he made that boil.
That boil was like a 10.
It's like, I think he helps you, right? That's a 3, isn't it? Put that thing up from there real quick. Another nice one.
Oh yeah, 346.
Oh man. Fish. Nice one, Matt. Another why not fish.
He's gone. He's active,
Woo!
boy.
There. Dang, this mat's really nice. Oh my goodness.
I'm telling you.
Tell me you're still on there. Tell me that's a big fish.
Yes, he's still there. That's a decent one.
He helps me get that hook out if you just want.
Yeah. You just said, oh, this looks pretty good.
Thank you, Matthew. 2-pounder. I thought that was a much bigger fish. Thank you,
I
Matt.
got a gator grip on the bass.
Sweet. There's my last 2-pounder. I think that's got to be 2 pounds, right?
I gotta hope so. That too.
Gosh.
This is the best punching day I've ever had.
Oh, by far the best punching day I've ever had.
202.
2.4. I still have to be at 187. I forgot. I'm still not out of the 2-pound range. I still haven't caught 4 2-pounders, but Matt has caught 4 over 3. But there's another one for us. Another, why not? Look how stocky this fish is.
They're thick, chunky.
They're thick and healthy.
They're juicy.
All right, buddy. Thank you for biting. I'll see you later. Give us a jump. Woo!
My back is gonna be sore after tonight.
My back's already sore.
Yeah, it's kind of hurting.
I'm not stopping though.
Is it bad that it's crazy how we've caught so many fish that our back hurts?
We're flipping big weights.
2.5, 2 ounces.
And also fishing this heavy grass, we've had a lot of leaning back.
Look at him.
That's a giant mudfish. Don't you dare break my 2-ouncer. Hey, get the net so he doesn't break this. That's a giant mudfish. Not what we're after, but oh my God. That's a giant mudfish. So guys, a little tip about mudfish. They have big giant teeth. You catch one, probably should retie. Especially when you're flipping an expensive 2-ouncer. And especially when it's the only 2-ouncer that you got. That, my friends, is a giant mudfish. See you later, guy. Caught a 10-pounder today. 10-pound mudfish. I feel like I'm gonna catch one real quick right here on a chatter. Like that. I can't tell. I feel like it's a bad one. Just, oh, it's a giant mudfish. I'm gonna let him run because I want him to roll. Another mud. This time on a chatterbait.
Come here, baby girl. Hopefully one there. I'll take one now.
Going anywhere. I was like, what? There's a bass right there. He's dead though, I think. No, his tail's waggling. No, he's alive. Like 2 pounds. I spooked the hell out of it. Another one though. That'll help me. Got a lot of dark ones today. Oh. Yeah, we're just gonna plop down. Well, let's get a little weight on him real quick. Oh yeah. 2.22. That finally puts me all of my fish over 2 pounds. All right, buddy. See you later.
I knew there was one in there and he bit it twice. He's a big man. Hit that damn why not? You know, because why not? Yeah, why not? Healthy fish all over the place. There he goes.
Oh gosh. Am I gonna need to get over there? No, you got him. He's coming out. It's probably the same one.
Hey, I felt boom on the way down. Good fish. Another good fish. Man, just solid chunks.
Can't complain about that, guy. Huh? What? Another one punch? First hyacinth fish. Little guy though. All right, buddy. See you later. Just a little different. Make sure they're still here. That's a big fish. Oh, it's better. It helps me. Helps me for the challenge. All right, guys, changed it up. Caught a fish on chatterbait. Some more grass. Give it a quick weight on them and then get them back in. Because he's 2.24. All right. 2 1/4. All right, buddy. Thanks for biting. See you later. That one? Is it a big one? Oh yeah, it is.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
How did he do that?
I don't know if you could tell, but literally the fish got off and I grabbed him while he was off the hook. That's a good one too, right there, my friend.
My Lord, man.
Woo! What does he have to be?
346 or better.
He's gonna be 3.
297.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be 3. All right, but still, one of the more epic fish catches. That's a good one right there, my friend.
Max is a damn save, dude. Like I've never seen before.
See you, buddy.
Watch.
3, 2, 1. There he goes. Woo!
Dude, when I saw you went like this and breezed around, I was like,
the hook's not in this fish anymore. That was the first thing that went through my head when I had him in my hand. Yeah! Look, I was starting to feel mushier underneath there. Okay. Oh, that's fish. How many times have we gone? Oh, that's a fish. I'm throwing the chatterbait today.
I say that all the time right now.
Yeah. All right, buddy. Thank you for biting another chatterbait fish. See you later. Yeah, about 15 minutes probably to fish.
Ooh, that's a fish.
Sorry, little guy.
Ow.
Well, I'm gonna hope you're not my last fish, but you might be. I've gotten a couple bites on the ugly otter. That's my first one I've landed. See you later, buddy. That's a big fish right there.
You sure he's not stuck on the ground?
No, he's probably not that big. Yeah, he's definitely not that big. Just came out of the grass. Not bad. Not bad. Back to the chatterbait right in front of the creek. This spot is sick right here though.
Yeah, this spot was good all day.
Another chatterbait fish. You don't help me. See you, buddy. There we go. The last fish of the day right here. Well, guys, we don't even show up the weights. We'll get a count for you. But Matt won. I didn't know that. He won by a long shot. Oh, wait. His weight's gonna be on the top of the fish. My weight's gonna be on the bottom of the fish. And
It's
yeah.
all flipping luck, man. Yeah, like literally flipping luck.
Yeah. Yeah, this was a pretty epic day though. We did not get that, you know, 6-7 pounder that we wanted.
Still searching.
But
We got tomorrow.
yeah, we got one more day out here. But guys, thank you for watching. This is gonna be our last fish of the day. And Matthew is the winner. Looks like I'm buying him Cracker Barrel tonight. Or no, Steak and Shake. Steak and Shake. Looks like I'm buying him Steak and Shake tonight. This is our last little guy. And just like him, we will see you guys later. Damn it, Ryan. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Knock.
Oh my God. Oh, my God! And he hit it on top, brother! He hit it on top! And there she goes.